Explanation. Happy birthday, dear Sonu. Salma. In which year were you born? Sonu. I was born on the 15th of January 2005. Tony. Today's date is 15 January 2015. It means that Sonu is 10 years old today. Salma. My date of birth is 12th March 2006. In whole years, I am 8 years old today. Tony. So your birthday will be on 12th March 2015, and that day you will be 9 years old. To tell someone's age, count forward from the year of birth till the current year. Some people's date of birth are given in the table below. Write how many years of age they complete this year on their birthdays. Name: Sarika, Mohan, Ahmed, Makhan Singh. Date of birth: 18 July 2002. Age: 13. 14/5/2000. Age: 15. 1st Feb 2003. Age: 12. 13 July 1977. Age: 38.